a massive fire broke out at a Kolkata market near Sealdah, which has claimed 19 lives and leaving many more injured. Several people have been rescued and taken to hospital. Many of them are in critical condition, and there are fears that the toll could rise further. The building called Surya Sen Market houses shops and several plastic and paper godowns, and most of the people who died were shop owners. And predictably, a shameful blame game has already begun over the tragedy. West Bengal's Fire Minister Javed Khan put the blame squarely on the previous left regime of 34 years for allowing unauthorized construction, saying the illegal building came up during the left rule.
The illegal unauthorized market, it has come up during the regime of left front. Last 34 years, such buildings have come up in large numbers. Just a minute. For the last 34 years, who were there in the power, they should answer this question. For a city of 300 years old and having a premises of around 8 lakhs, is it possible humanly in a year and a half to inspect all the buildings? And we have already inspected all the nursing homes, all the hospitals, all the schools and colleges.
After reaching the accident site, Mamata Banerjee ordered an inquiry, saying despite her government specifically asking buildings to follow safety norms after the AMRI tragedy, no one was doing so. Even as Trinamool Congress blames the left rule for the tragedy, it seems that Mamata Banerjee is conveniently forgetting the fact that she took over as state's chief minister nearly 3 years ago. Also, there has been 10 major fires since Mamata took charge, reflecting poorly the steps taken by the state to avert such tragedies.
এখানে এরকম প্রচুর বাড়ি আছে। কলকাতাটা টোটাল আনপ্ল্যান্ড সিটি ম্যাক্সিমাম, এবং অলরেডি সিটি দীর্ঘদিনের প্ল্যান করে সমস্ত না করার ফলে দীর্ঘদিন ধরে এখানে অনেক গাড়িতে গোডাউন আছে, এবং অনেক বাড়িতে আমি যা শুনছি এখানে ঘরে ঘরে সব প্লাস্টিকের কারবারও আছে।
Mayor of Calcutta, MIC Disaster Management and Chief Minister of Bengal has gone to the spot. So, first of all, I should collect all the information and then I will let you know what will be the fate.